Welcome back everyone. Before we start, press the subscribe button and press the bell to be notified when I post a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build this Lego grill. The first step is to get a 2x4 flat and get the studs on the side piece and put it on the edge. Next, get this piece and place it as shown. Then get a 1x2 modified piece and place it on the front. Then get two 1x2 pieces, put one in the back and one on the left side. Then get a 2x4 flat and place it on the top. Then get this piece and put it also on top. Then for the wheels, get one of these pieces and two studs and place it on each side. Repeat that one more time and place it as shown. Thanks for watching.